Hello.
Who's this?
Me.
It's Angelica.
Yes.
Hello, Angelica.
Hi. Hi, everyone there.
Hey there, Jazz Family Adventures.
I got a box.
She's got a box, which means she's probably doing an unboxing. All right, what are we unboxing today?
What are we unboxing?
Yeah.
Surprise.
Okay. Let's see what it is.
It got stuck. Okay, unboxing of the things we bought for Christmas.
Ah, so it's for Christmas.
Yep. We got
It's a big wad of paper.
yes. Ready, Johnny?
It's a big wad of paper. Oh, wait, but that's not what we're looking at.
No, we're not. We're looking at the stocking. If I can open it.
You can do it. Open that package. Tear it open like it were a bag of chips.
Wait. Oh.
I was wondering where my socks went.
I don't think this one. I think this one's too big for you, Johnny.
You think it's too big?
Yes. It's not going on your foot. It's a Christmas stocking.
Very nice. Wait, what does it say on there?
It says Mr. Zrimowski. No, it says Mr. Bukowski.
Aw, Mr. Zrimowski.
No, Johnny, it says Mr.
Well, if that's a Mr. Zrimowski, then I wonder where Mrs. Zrimowski would.
I don't know. Mrs. I guess is missing.
She's tearing open the other one, folks.
It's the bride stocking.
Aw. That makes me feel special.
Okay. Now, ready? Package number 1. Actually, number 3, right? I guess those were 2. Okay. I don't know which one this one is. Johnny, you want to guess?
Say
Which ornament it is? Because
it's a star.
it's a heart.
Oh, wow. I'll flip it around. There we go.
Oh, I was showing you the wrong
Aw,
way.
that's awesome. Mr. and Mrs. John and Angie Zrimowski.
I wonder, do they have the ribbon? Oh, here's the ribbon. I'll put it on later.
Nice.
That's one.
And it comes with a nice little bag.
It does. I like it. Okay, ready for the next one?
Yep. So that way, after Christmas, we can put the ornaments back. Safe and
Okay.
sound.
Which one do you think this one is?
It's a little mouse holding a wedge of cheese.
Johnny! Tell me that one.
A ball.
Okay, do you think it's a circle or a dress?
There we go. Circle.
Dress.
Oh, wow. That's also really nice. And for those that don't know, or we don't expect everyone to remember, but June 27th was our wedding.
Okay.
I'll never forget it.
Oh. Ready for the next one?
I love those bags.
I know, they're so cute.
They're very shiny.
Ready? You ready for this one,
Bum,
Johnny?
bum, bum.
You ready?
Yep. I am ready. Oh, wow. We got married during a pandemic, John and Angie. Oh, wow. Yep. That's certainly one of my very favorite pictures. Good choice. Now, what company did these come from?
Which company?
In case the folks at home are interested in purchasing such an ornament. They're personalized. They're really nice, as you could tell, but...
Personalization Mall. They gave a magazine too.
Aha. So, wow. So that's filled with all kinds of things you can personalize. Yep, there you go. There you guys go. Yeah, we like them. And just want to zoom in on
You want me
bags.
to take them all out?
So, kind of want the folks to see the quality of the bag. Even the bag is real nice.
It is nice.
Yeah.
I should start putting ribbons.
See, again, if you look at the quality, I believe it's glass. It's real nice.
It is. Johnny, do not make the couch eat it.
The couch was hungry. Rum, rum, rum. Give me a Christmas ornament.
I didn't think it was. Well,
This is raw and unedited, folks. We like to keep it real.
Just once in a while. I still have lots of videos to actually edit and post out there.
And she will, because we've been motivated. We're getting back to our monthly challenges. Just things that we want to accomplish throughout the month, right, hon?
Yes.
Like exercise and posting and
Oh, this one has a ribbon.
working on our Sunday school.
Put the marks at.
Yeah.
These are actually pretty good.
She's opening the third one, putting the string on it, so that way she can add it to this collection to show you guys and girls.
No, it's actually is this way. I just don't get for the sticker.
Almost.
Why is it on this side?
It's the Made in China sticker, right?
Yeah. Well, I could get lost. Because it made me think I put it on the wrong side.
Almost there.
Yes.
While she's doing that, we'll take again a look at these stockings. Also very good quality. It's very soft on this side, and it's more of like an oven mitt on that side, but yep, it's very nice. This is actually our first Christmas being married. And there you go. Anything that you would like to say to our friends, family, and those that have been watching our videos?
Subscribe, like, and comment below.
Please. And thank you.
Please. While we show you this bag.
Oh, you mean this bag?